Okay, the letter we're going to learn today is the letter N. And N and M are both tricky letters, kind of like I and U are tricky because sometimes you get confused with the humps. But it just depends on the letter that comes before it. The letter N starts on the bottom line and just has two humps. 1, 2, and then a tail. And again, 1, 2, and then a tail. You've got to be sure that when you come down here and you go back up, you follow this line back up and hump over and then a tail. Because if not, your N will look like this if you don't follow the line back up. Okay, so we want to make sure that we follow the line back up. Follow the line and a tail. 1, 2, and a tail. 1, 2, and a tail. Now let's join some letters. N-A. 1, 2. Then we go under and hook over. And N-I. 1, 2. Hook under. Go straight up. Follow straight back down. Lift your pencil and dot. O-N-G. Remember, you have to stop right there with the O, follow it back around, stop right there, then N. This is the first hump. 1, 2. A lot of people get confused and don't think this is the first hump, and they want to do another hump. But when it's attached to a letter that ends close to the dotted line, then that's the first hump. Okay, let's do I-N-G. Now it will have the full two humps because the I ends down here. So it has 1, 2. Oh, I'm sorry, I was supposed to do a G. G goes over, crosses right there, I-N-G. Now let's write some whole words. Narrow means like skinny, like a narrow piece of land or a narrow river. Up and over. R, touch, doesn't touch, goes down. Touch, doesn't touch, goes down. O, stops right there, comes back around. 1, 2, and a tail. Okay, let's write again with the N at the end of the word. A, G, stops, follows back around. A, stops. I, N has its full two humps because it's connected to an I. Let's try song. S-O-N-G. Do you think it's going to have its full two humps? Because it's after an O. O. Nope, because the O stops right there. N, G. But it's still two humps. 1, 2. It's just not a complete one because it's after an O. Now let's do stopping. S-T-O. We double the P because we're going to add the ending ing, and we want to keep that short O sound, so we have to double our consonant. I, N, G. Pick your pencil up, dot, and cross.